I don't really care, cause I'm
done. All the real love is not mine. There's no emotion on my face, cause I'm not. You see me everywhere you look, no, you can't hide or run. Yeah, everything I said, messing with your head.
So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new RK61 keyboard. So, let me take it out of the box. Wow, there it is. It's really clicky. I love that. It's very loud. So, it comes with a keycap holder and a USB-C cord. Here's the keycap holder, and I'm not going to show the cord, but this is the box that it comes in. So this is the keyboard. It's really nice. I'm gonna turn it on. So it has a really nice effect when you turn it on. So that's just the normal backlight. And then if you press function and this, it changes the effect. So this is a really nice breathing effect. I love this. This looks really nice. You got a wave just coming down all around. This one just lights up random ones, I guess. This one's just, it starts in the middle, goes around. I like this one, it's kind of crazy. It's like it's raining down. So this is like a loading screen, I guess. There you go with that. This one, bottom left to top right. This one, just, it's like a wave, I guess, another wave. This one, you hit the keys and then they disappear. This one, you hit it and then it turns off. So, there's that. This one is like a snake. This one is just, it goes from that key and it goes to the rest of the keyboard. This one, it goes on that line. And this is my favorite one. This is the last effect. So, I think this is a really nice keyboard and I'm definitely going to be using it. I will be doing some ASMR in another video, along with my keycaps that I'm going to be doing in a few weeks. Hopefully they arrive sooner, but I will make a video as soon as I get them. So, it's really clicky. And I will show you the Cherry MX Blues. So, here's the keycap holder that it comes with. There you go. It's really nice. I love the Cherry MX Blues. They're really nice. Let me pop this back on. So, yeah, this has been the white RK61 60% keyboard with the white backlight. I will leave a link in the description if you want to order this. So, in my next video, it'll be ASMR with this really nice keyboard. And this has been the RK61.
You know I'm the same one. Diamonds on my chain in your frame, looking A1. Baby got my game up, always with my day ones. Your boyfriend a lame, so that nigga get his change up.